All right, just a little bit more. All right, there it is, just like I thought. God, this thing is completely shot.
Might need a new one then.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, these sections here need to be reinforced. Yeah. All right, let's see what's under here. That's much better. Wow, that's a lot of rust. Oh no, that's not good. It's mud. All right, let's see what this can do.
Hello? No?
Wow, look at that reaction. Impressive. You can really feel it pulling the grime out. All right, hydraulics. Good to go. Okay, here we go.
Got it?
Push, move. All right, let's get this pulled out.
See the fraying there?
Perfect. Snip, snip. Okay, steady. Got it.
I think I found the access panel.
Let's see what's under here.
Interesting. More steel than I expected.
Almost there. Just a little more pressure.
The dashboard is now a skeletal frame, ready.
All right, time to rip out these ancient connections. The old way won't work anymore. Now to see what's underneath. Almost there.
Looking good, Char.
Perfect. Seamless. Okay, here we go. That's a lot of dust. All right, perfectly seated. All right, that's secure.
The perfect coat. Incredible.
The front turbine begins to spin. Orange light flickers from the rear exhaust.